Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. We're bringing you a different kind of video today. You know, we do random stuff that aren't diesel trucks. And one thing bedded deep into our roots, straight six-cylinder Jeeps. Tough little tanks, great beginner cars, run forever. Obviously we do a lot more diesel truck these days, but you know, I always have people ask me like, yeah, what's a good car to get for my kid? He's turning 16, or what's something reliable and cheap? And we always come back to these straight six-cylinder Jeep Cherokees, Grand Cherokees, Wranglers, all with that straight six motor. These things are bulletproof, they run forever. And we have a unicorn of a specimen for you today, a 99 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Four-wheel drive, and obviously black. We're looking at a pretty Jeep. It is the updated interior, which they changed in I think 98, 99. It's a little more modern looking. Prior to that, they were all the same from the 80s. But I'll tell you the cool thing about this Jeep. Why I call it a unicorn? Number one, that 72,362 original miles. That is horn number one for said unicorn. Number two, 5-speed manual and straight six-cylinder. So we've got a black Southern title, Oklahoma title, Cherokee 4-door XJ 99 with 72,000 miles, and a straight six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual trans. They don't get more bulletproof than this. But we're going to be cold starting it today. It's obviously not ice cold, as you can tell. I've been driving it, doing pictures. Thing fires right up, no issues. Runs and drives amazing. No check engine lights. But keep in mind, guys, this is a 21-year-old Jeep, so I'm not sitting here telling you it's perfect. We've serviced it up pretty dang nice for what it is. I'm going to walk you through all of that. But at the end of the day, this Jeep can go buy beers, so it's not, it's not a little warranty princess. It's 21 years old. But just reiterating that, let's look at how nice it is. It's a Southern truck. It has cold AC, hot heat. We've got a Sony 6-disc changer. It's 99. Keep in mind they throw them in the back. We'll get to it in the hatch. It's sitting back there. Got good tunes, good everything. Nice static there. Change it up. There we go. There we go. Good tunes. Everything works as it should. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Everything's in good working order. Keyless entry, cruise control. Got cup holders here. 2 to 4-wheel drive. That's another great thing. A lot of these, not these Cherokees, but the Grand Cherokees, a lot of them are all-wheel drive. We have a 2 to 4 transfer case, so you can go into 2-wheel drive, get that sweet spot on economy, and drop it into 4 low when you need it. Works out well. Did not come with any manuals. This thing's pretty dang clean. I mean, look at these seats. Everything about this says 72,000 miles. A couple of things say 21 years, so we'll differentiate between the two, and I'll kind of introduce you to all those things. One little rip in the seat there. Pretty easy to have fixed. We usually have them fixed, but this Jeep kind of went through the suspension and everything, and we did not do the seat, so don't hold it against us. Windows are tinted on it though. Power everything. Let's pop the hood, make sure she's unlocked, and go take a spin around. Starting under the hood, straight six, 72,000 miles. Nothing crazy, it's all stock. Put the latch up real quick. It's been cleaned up, as you can tell. This thing's been detailed. These motors are great. They run forever. We did a service, valve cover gaskets, couple little odds and ends on it. Nothing crazy. Changed the filters. We also put a new radiator in it. You know, 20-year-old truck stuff. So, as you can see right here, we got some paint fade right there from the top panels. Like I said, we pulled this out of Oklahoma. A lot of Southern trucks that have flat upward facing panels, Chrysler specifically, they do that. Other than that, you got a full painted grille. It's got the black front bumper, plastic. Well, actually, it's painted in the middle there. I'm not seeing any damage to really report, guys. I'm just kind of showing you everything. We did bring the wheel and tire into the 20th century here. You know, we always got to upgrade something. We did a brand new set of Wrangler 5-spokes and a brand new set of Bridgestone Dueler tires. So a very classy, simple, yet nice upgrade for a stock Jeep wheel and a stock tire. It's a 33-inch tire. Jeep does have a slight leveling kit on it. It's been brought up 1.5 inches, 2 inches it looks like. And we went through the entire front end. As you can see, we've got zone suspension off-road shocks. We did ball joints, we did track bar, we did drag link. Everything is new on the front suspension. Wheel and tires new, tint is new. There's no damage to report. I mean, you got there's a little rust down here. Again, guys, 21 years old. As you can see, it is not perfect. There's some Line-X down there covering it up, but it's not bad either. So kind of just is what it is. Let's see here. The exhaust does rattle a little bit, as you can hear it sitting here. There's that ancient CD changer. Pretty clean back here. I mean, this Jeep reflects its 72,000 miles. But, you know, like I said, it's just dirty. It's got old stuff it's not perfect. This right here has been painted or swapped or something at some point. Very common piece to break. Guys, I don't have a lot of bad to point out or show you. This paint shines up pretty dang nice for what it is. It looks pretty clean. It's a 2-owner, no accident, so there's no wrecks on the history. I got an auto check to show you. If you want to see it, you're more than welcome to. I know everyone jokes about it, but that is a great anti-theft deterrent anymore these days, because you just don't see a lot of manual vehicles around. So, well, guys, that's it. I appreciate you tuning in to check out this Jeep. Clean title in hand, 72,000 miles. It runs and drives phenomenal. But you know, the exhaust rattles. It's not perfect. It's 21 years old still, but a beautiful Jeep, a time capsule, something someone could really put some miles on and enjoy this for a long while still. So that being said, if you're interested, head on over to 816diesel.com on the website. You're going to find VIN number, pictures, pricing, any kind of information you might need. I'll have over there on 816diesel.com. My name's Cameron. Call or text me anytime, 913-735-3748. I appreciate your time as always for watching. Click that bell for notifications, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. We do lots of cool vehicles, all evolved around wheels, tires, lift kits, all the good stuff. So give us a like, 816 Diesel. Thanks again for your time, guys, and have a great week out there.